Worst crisis is actually in Bere South. In Betty South Ward, 11 polling stations have no ballot papers and no ballot papers for either candidate. So we have called Nairobi and we have told them we are not starting any voting in all those centers until ballot papers get to the ground, and we've been assured that they'll be coming. But I'm going there right now to follow up on it to make sure that it does happen. But we are also requesting for more security, because in a situation where there's disorderliness, anything can happen, and we don't want that to happen.
There are hitches, yes, here and there. So we are hoping that, that this will continue, that we will continue, people will continue voting peacefully. As you can see right behind me, people are voting very, very peacefully. Right. And we are hoping that this will continue up to evening. And that